So, so hi people. Well, I'm out of breath actually. A couple of things already. So wishing everybody a great start to a Sunday. Cheers to you on a lovely coffee. And you see the sun is out and everything. So 30th November 2025, the last November. Okay. So so much to do, and the pollution levels and everything may be up and all that, but the weather's amazing outside, yeah, and you cannot stop admiring and appreciating that you're slowing down, but you're also kind of enjoying the joyful stuff like this cup of coffee and soaking up the sun. And if you've got some pets and stuff, you're probably enjoying and making the best of it. And of course, if you're recovering from cough and cold and everything like me, probably you're exercising less and sleeping more and all that. So that comes as a package of recovery and everything. So why am I here? I'm here to tell you that even if you're not feeling 100% or 200% and everything, and you don't have to think that you're not exercising and all that. Even if you're doing half an hour or 40 minutes of whatever, walking, stretching, anything, anywhere, that is as good as exercising. So 30 to 40 minutes is good. And since pollution is such a big concern, what I could advise and recommend is to do yoga. Call up your coaches and call up people, and try and do some yoga asanas and stuff, because breathing exercises really help you kind of open up your respiratory tracts and stuff like that, So because of neck cervical and stuff, I was not allowed to do yoga, but then I was like, I'm going to do it no matter what. And then I started doing my Surya Namaskar and everything. And you see, mine has been a story of recovery from neck cervical and a back and left leg for a brief while, and for now it's like this thing tinnitus in my left ear. So try doing yoga, and for those who are kind of trying to reduce, you're doing diets and everything, that's good. But the point is, it's not about losing weight, it's actually about gaining strength, and strength doesn't come by doing diets, because the moment you go off a diet, there's no diet which is a long-term diet, okay? So it just puts you in a discipline and or structure or a lifestyle, and you're supposed to stick to that. And the moment you stop doing all of that, your weight comes back, okay? So what's advisable is to also supplement it or assist it with exercising and try and do more of weight. So women and girls, especially upper body, do more of strength and do more of core, because that weight has to get converted into muscle. So when you feel excited after doing a diet plan and stuff, what you reduce in the beginning is not weight. It's actually the water. It's actually the fat that you lose. So if you're excited about it and stuff and all that, it's cool. It's okay. It's nice that you made some development and stuff. But the point is, the reality check in the long term for those who are working, including me, for so many years, I've been on a diet forever. I don't diet, okay? But I still look maintained, I guess. So is do strength and do more of toning up and more of core. Build your tummy and your back. You're supposed to have both of them strong, and do upper body toning and strengthening, because your fat is to get converted into muscle. That's when your weight loss is successful, when your fat is converted into muscle. So try doing yoga, try not doing too many things, because pushing your body after a certain stage into too many things is also confusing the body. We very which way is doing that with so many things, multitasking we were already doing, and then being on the computer, on the phone, on the TV, on radio, while driving, SMS, Insta, LinkedIn, and then Zoom, and then the other stuff, microwaves and fridge, and I don't know what all. We are already in any which ways overusing our brain so much. So always a good idea to kind of center it also through meditation and mindfulness and stuff. So think a little bigger and broader as to how much you're already exercising your brain, and उसके बीच में काम भी करना है, solutions भी ढूंढने हैं, और ये सब चीजें. So think practically and think long term and try and include yoga, especially during this peak season of pollution and stuff. I used to say this about 3-4 years back. Yoga tum mujhse na hoga, you know. Somebody told me yoga kijiye. Yoga to mere se kabhi nahi ho sakta. And that was because I only like Surya Namaskar. And as a matter of fact, I सब कुछ explore कर लिया था. I was like trying to do all other asanas of yoga. Yoga was so slow for me, you know. I joined a yoga class in the morning. Ooh, Surya Namaskar I totally love because it fit in into my regime and stuff. And you tell me to do Surya Namaskar, I would love to do it and stuff, you know. So it's to each one his own. So go at your own pace, go at your own speed, and do include Surya Namaskar and breathing. That will help your respiratory tract as well and stuff. Okay, so love and luck and take care, and cheers on a nice cup of coffee. Bye bye. Have fun, enjoy. Bye bye. And remember to soak up the sun, vitamin D, sun is also important, and so is fun, and definitely greenery. Yeah, and take your animals and pets along as well, and pull the seniors and children also off the screen and off the computers and stuff. You know, pollution doesn't mean you have to be only indoors all the time. Wear a mask when you go out. That'll help you big time. Yeah, bye bye. Have fun and enjoy. Bye bye.